try twisting your torso a little bit from your waist muscles so that you can get the hand back behind and you can do this chest high reel. Notice my palm is facing front the whole time. Actually, let's start like this. Look to your left, take your left hand at like nipple height and throw the poi overhand behind you. And then from here, practice going up and then down and then flip your wrist and then flip your wrist back and go up and down and flip your wrist and come back up and down and flip your wrist and flip your wrist back and up and down. And now we're gonna go the full range. So come behind your butt crack, then flip your wrist, then come up, then behind your head, then come back down, then flip your wrist and back behind your butt crack, and then up. Now in the middle, now hold it here in the middle, hold it there, hold it there, hold it there, and then do 10 of these, 9, and keep it at that height, 8, looking forward, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then go back behind and hold it there.